Okay, somebody brought up a dude called The Weeknd, and the song's called Like a Bird Part 1. So, just learned it today, so bear with me again. So, here we go. Hope you see, it won't mean a thing to me. I've been doing this too long, and baby girl, I felt it all. So watch out if you try to play your luck. Ain't nobody gonna care enough to catch you fall. So don't you fall in love. Don't make you fall in love. Don't make you fall in love with a nigga like me, like me. I swear I'm just a bird, and girl, I'm just another bird. Don't make you fall in love with a nigga like me, like me. Oh, you tried to warn me, but baby, I'm warning you. Girl, I'll show you. This is no whole game. You'll be falling to the point of no return, no return.